welcome back to another video. So today I've decided I'm doing a swipe and I'm going to be using Amsterdam Titamium White mixed with water only as my swipe paint. So I've mixed some up here, just Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with water, and then I've got some paints over here that we're going to put down on the canvas, and then we're going to spin it out. I've just got a round canvas here on my spinner, and I'm just giving the paints a little bit of a shake because some of them, I don't know when they were last used. Yeah, I think they're all fine. I think I've used them all recently. Open them up. Okay, and then of course I've got some paper towel to wipe the palette knife off of. There's the palette knife I'm going to use to swipe. So we're going to start off by putting paint down on the canvas. So I love this purple color. It's Liquitex, but it's a rich color, you know. It's a beautiful color. And then some light blue, and this one is, I don't know what, but it's metallic, so that's very pretty. And the spout is blocked. I'm just going to open it up quick again. Try it again. Oh, it keeps blocking. Squirts of that. I'm going to put a little bit of black. This is just normal black. Oh, it's also blocked. These spouts are really driving me up the wall. No, blocked. Right, this is a deep pink. Right, and I'm going to go back in with some of that. And here, and a little bit more of this one. Well, I'm annoyed now because I want this, so I'll try and open it. Come on. Now I can't get the bottle open and the nozzle is blocked. There we go. Just put a little bit of this. Right, and a little bit more of that. And a little bit more of that. Okay, that's enough. All right, so now we are going to swipe. I'm going to bring you closer, like that. So I'm just going to, all right, I'm just going to dip. Where are you? Don't know where you are. I'm just going to dip this in. Dip it in and just take off the excess, just like that, and swipe across. Right, and then wipe off the palette knife, because you're going to pick up color onto your palette knife, and because I'm swiping in white, I don't want, you know, the palette knife to get just covered in color. Now I'm going to swipe from this side. Come on. Right. Wipe it off. Beautiful lacing. Right. I'm going to go from this side now. Right. Very pretty. The Amsterdam paints, I love the lacing. I just do. Absolutely beautiful. And you know, I did acrylic pouring before, and I stopped a couple of years ago, and then I started again last October. But when I did acrylic pouring before, I was not aware of Amsterdam. I mean, otherwise I would have done every second painting in this paint, because I just love the effects. So beautiful. Right, this looks like the last swipe now. From this side and over. Okay, wow, that is so pretty. I don't know if you can even see it. Beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. So I'm going to bring you up now, because we're going to spin it. I'm just going to put a little bit of paint around the edges, I think, just to help it along. I should have plenty paint on here, but you don't want to start spinning it or start tilting it and then you realize, oh, I don't have enough paint, because that is a problem. I've done that before. So rather just be safe than sorry and just put some paint. This is all just going to go off the sides anyway, but it's just to help it along. That should be fine. Okay. All right, let's spin it and see. Move the bottles out of the way. Let's go. Now, you just bring the weight of the paint down to the side that you want to cover. You can see where the paint is moving fastest. That is where it is heaviest. And then you just give it a spin. You don't have to spin hard to get it over. It's almost there. I'll just give it another spin. Right, and now the last side is down this side, so just bring the paint down that way to make it heavier that side, like that, and give it a spin. It's almost over, not quite. It is over now. Wow! Oh, this is so pretty. Now I just want to see how much paint I've still got on my canvas, but it's not really moving, so that's good. That means I don't have too much paint on here. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Right, so now just go round the edges to make sure they're all covered in paint. And just dab paint on. If you need to, you can pick up paint off the table, you know, pick it up and dab it on like that. But mine is all covered. It's all done. Wow! The colors are amazing. The lacing is absolutely stunning. Really, really very pretty. Very, very happy with that. Right, so I'm going to take this off the spinner and put it on my table or something, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Let me just take my gloves off and just tidy up here a little bit, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. Look at that. So I did just go over it quickly with a heat gun. But look at the lacing. Look at that. The colors, look at the colors under there. Now this green, and this is why I wanted it in this painting, that green is metallic. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but the green is metallic. The white lacing, the neon pink, the deep purple, which has, like here, it's mixed with a white lacing, so we have like a lighter purple and pink in the lacing. Here we've got some green in the lacing. There we're back to white lacing. Look at that. I absolutely love, love, love this Amsterdam paint. Look at that. Blue lacing. White lacing. Pink lacing. Purple lacing. Just in one stripe. Look at it. The colors are so bright. It is really pretty. But there we go. Lovely little swipe. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and support me in my my art journey. I really wanted to start this channel to show people that acrylic pour art is not that difficult. It's just a couple techniques that you learn, and once you know how to do the technique, it's simple. You just saw me do this beautiful painting in a matter of minutes. It looks like it took days, but no. You know, I want everybody to see that it's not that difficult to do. Anyone can do it, and you can get stunning, stunning, stunning paintings. So there we go. So please support my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of this painting, or just say hi. I don't, you know, just say hi. I've got people watching my videos and nobody ever says hi to me. I feel very unloved. And that's it, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.